Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Garmin to Komoot. First, let's prepare your Komoot account. Make sure you have an active Komoot profile ready to go. Open the Komoot app or visit their website, then head over to your profile section. Look for the Settings or Connections menu, as this is where we will initiate the linking process. Having your Komoot account in order is the crucial first step for a smooth integration. Next, we will link your Garmin Connect account. Open the Garmin Connect app on your phone or go to the website. Navigate to the More menu, typically located at the bottom right. From there, select Settings and then Third-Party Apps. Find Komoot in the list and tap Connect. You will be redirected to log into your Komoot account to authorize the connection, granting Garmin Connect permission to access your Komoot data. Now, let's get your Komoot routes onto your Garmin device. Once your accounts are linked, any new or existing tours you create and save in Komoot will automatically sync to Garmin Connect. Just make sure the tour is planned and saved. You can then find these tours under the Courses or Routes section on your Garmin device. If you don't see it right away, perform a quick manual sync on your Garmin device to refresh the data. Finally, here are some troubleshooting tips and best practices. Always ensure both your Komoot and Garmin Connect applications are updated to their latest versions. If you encounter syncing problems, try disconnecting and then reconnecting the accounts. Also, confirm your Garmin device has enough storage space for new routes. Remember, only planned tours from Komoot will sync to Garmin, not your past activities. A stable internet connection is also key for smooth data transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.